Now I will present you the next presentation about prevalence and initiation patterns of combustible tobacco products and non-combustible alternatives among young adults in Greece in May and June 2023. A global strategy to accelerate tobacco control has been adopted. Specifically, the global target is a 30% relative reduction in the age-standardized prevalence of current tobacco use in persons aged 15 years and over by 2025. In order to measure the success of this strategy, we need to monitor the patterns of use of combustible tobacco products and non-combustible alternatives among individuals over time, and especially among the young ones. And it's very important to assess the penetration of non-combustible alternative products among the young, because these products are relatively new in the market. Aim of our study was to estimate the prevalence of use and to assess the initiation patterns of combustible tobacco products and non-combustible alternatives among young adults aged 18 to 24 years in the population of Greece in 2023. We implemented 2 cross-sectional phone surveys. The first one was conducted in May 2023 among individuals aged 18 years and older, and the second one in June 2023 among individuals aged 18 to 24 years old. We combined data for the age group of 18 to 24 years from the first survey with all data from the second survey. We used random digit tiering of landline and mobile phones and proportional quota sampling to recruit participants. The achieved sample size was 612 participants overall. We used again a structured questionnaire, as I presented in the previous presentation, which included questions from Eurobarometer, Global Adult Tobacco Survey, and National Health Interview Survey, and we added specific questions for this study. And we adjust for the age, sex, and first level NAT distribution of the young population of Greece. We use the same definitions as in the previous presentation. Smokers, users of electronic cigarettes, and users of heated tobacco products were defined as those who had smoked at least 100 cigarettes, used electronic cigarettes at least 100 times, and used at least 100 sticks in their lifetime, respectively. And current use was defined as use in the past 30 days. In this table, I present some participant characteristics. Female were slightly more than male, and more than 80% of participants was living in urban areas. Now I will present you the prevalence by product and overall among young adults in Greece. 40% currently uses at least one product, and focusing now by product, 27.3% was current users of boxed or hand-rolled cigarettes, 9.9% current users of electronic cigarettes, and 13.4% current users of heated tobacco products. Exclusive users of boxed and hand-rolled cigarettes were the 70.3%. 4.2% were current exclusive users of electronic cigarettes, and 7.3% were exclusive users of heated tobacco products. And now, in this part of my presentation, I will present you initiation patterns of tobacco and nicotine use. Most young adults reported boxed cigarettes as the first product tried. The proportion was 62.4% among ever users, followed by hand-rolled cigarettes, electronic cigarettes, cigars, cigarillos, pipes, and the last was heated tobacco products. The median age of first product try ranged from 16 to 18 years, depending on the product. Most participants reported, again, boxed cigarettes as the first product regularly used. The proportion was 50.7% among current or former regular users, followed by hand-rolled cigarettes, electronic cigarettes, heated tobacco products, cigars, cigarillos, and pipes. And the median age was 15 to 18 years, depending on the product. The median age of first product regular use. Among those aware of electronic cigarettes, almost everyone in the sample, and among those aware of heated tobacco products, over 80% of the sample, these young adults believed that the use of almost half almost half, reported that non-combustible alternatives were less harmful than conventional cigarettes. Now we'll compare results for the survey for the young adults with the survey for adults aged 18 years and older, the study that I presented in the previous presentation for May 2023. And we can observe that the prevalence of current use of any product and for each product separately was higher for young adults compared to the general adult population of Greece. Now I will compare young adults with the general adult population of Greece regarding the initiation patterns. Both young adults and the general adult population of Greece reported more often boxed and hand-rolled cigarettes as the first product tried, the first product regularly used. But young adults reported more often non-combustible alternatives compared to the general adult population of Greece as the first product tried and the first product regularly used. To conclude, we observed a high prevalence of tobacco and nicotine use among young in Greece in 2023. 4 out of 10 use at least one combustible tobacco product or non-combustible alternative. 1 out of 4 young adults consume non-combustible alternatives. Most young adults first try and start the regular use with conventional cigarettes. 1 to 2 out of 10 young ever users first try non-combustible alternatives. 1/4 of young regular users start regular use with electronic cigarettes and heated tobacco products. And now, in 2023, young adults, compared to the general adult population of Greece, had higher prevalence of use of both combustible tobacco products and non-combustible alternatives, and lower proportion of first try and first regular use with conventional cigarettes, but higher proportions with electronic cigarettes and heated tobacco products. Thank you very much for your attention.